Hi guys, how's it going? My name is Phuong and I'm a stay-at-home mom of 2 boys. Welcome to my channel. Today we have a pack with me video. In this video, I'll share with you how I packed for a family of 4 to Houston, Texas. I hope you guys will enjoy this video and don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Alright, so this trip is gonna be 7 days and 6 nights. We'll be going in the middle of May and the weather will be around 74 to 84. So lucky for us, it's not the hottest time of the year, but it's definitely gonna be hotter than the Bay Area. Time to take out those summer clothes and let's get packing. First, we'll start with baby Irvin. I'll start with 3 long sleeve shirts. I've visited Houston's before. Although it can get hot in the day, the weather might get a bit chilly at night, so long sleeves will be handy. I'll also choose 3 matching pants to go with the shirts. I usually pick neutral colors so that they all intermix easily and that it will make dressing my kids much less stressful. Next, I'll bring 4 t-shirts and 4 stretchable cotton pants. These are great for active kids and also very comfortable. My sister said we might go to the beach, so I'll pack 2 additional swim pants for Irvin. Once I lay out all the items, I'll start packing them into this little packing organizer. I bought them on Amazon and they come with a set of 6 pieces. The one I'm using for Irvin is in size small. I'll put the link in the description box down below. I don't know if you like me, but I find packing very therapeutic. I love it when everything looks neat and ordered. And when I can fit so many clothes into a small organizer, it just feels so satisfying. And I also need to bring this baby sleep sack for Irvin. It's a part of his sleeping routine. We're gonna sleep at a new place, so this sleep sack is absolutely important. Moving on to Haydens Clothes. I also bring 3 long sleeve shirts for Hayden, and I pair the shirts with 3 long pants. Here's a tip. For clothing with thin fabric, I'll roll it like a burrito to save space. I also pick out 4 pairs of t-shirts and pants. Again, I went with neutral colors so that I don't have to think too much about how to mix them later. I always fold the pants into rolls, and for the shirts, I'll fold them into squares. Once they're all done, I'll fit them into the organizer bag. Before I knew about these organizers, I tried really hard to organize things in my luggage, but it's never been as neat as I wanted. These organizers are really a lifesaver. For my clothes, first, I'll pack 3 dresses. I got this long black dress from Zara. No wardrobe is complete without a maxi dress. It's like the easiest thing in the world to style. The yellow dress is my go-to choice for traveling. I got it from a thrift store in Santa Monica. It's silky soft and flowy, so it is easy to roll and it compacts really well. The last dress I got from Aritzia is one of my most comfortable dresses. The fabric is lightweight and breathable, so I think it'll be great for Houston's weather. Next, I'm bringing this pastel pink crop top. I made it myself a while ago. I'll pair it with a velvet skirt from Forever 21 and a kimono robe from Abercrombie & Fitch. For a more casual look, I'm packing a basic white t-shirt and a black crop top. If the weather is hot, I'm gonna wear this brown short to make the outfit look more interesting. And of course, you can't go wrong with a basic jean and a t-shirt. If you like to maximize your outfit options without overpacking, choose lightweight clothing that can easily roll up. Another packing tip that I want to share is that when fitting things into the bag, I like to start with the heavier pieces first. Then I go for the lighter pieces that I can use to squeeze into between small spaces. Now I just have to buckle it up and my clothes will all be packed. I was so surprised that it could fit all my clothes into just one organizer. Oh, and can't forget my husband's clothes as well. It's pretty simple, a medium bag will do the job. Next, I'm gonna pack my makeup. I don't usually wear makeups, so I just try to keep it as simple as I can. Sunscreen is a must, especially when we're going to a sunny place like Houston, because it will help to protect my skin from the sun. I use a small pouch to store all of my makeup. I love this bag. It doesn't take too much space and it can fit so many items. For skincare, I'm bringing some cotton pads, a cleanser for makeup remover, and all the other products I use for my skincare routine. Sleep and intimates. This bag is for my sleeping clothes, underwear, socks, and swimsuit. My next essential is shoes. This time, I'm bringing white sneakers and brown leather mules. I'm gonna wear the mules to the airport, so I'm gonna pack these sneakers into this shoe bag. First aid kit is pretty important when you travel with kids. It's springtime, so antihistamine and eczema relief cream will be handy. Alright, these are pretty much all the toiletries that my kids will need. That's a lot of diapers, but they compact really well, so it's not gonna be a problem for packing. I also sneak in a few extra clothing for Irvin because, babies tend to get dirty very quickly, and it doesn't hurt to be over-prepared. Finally, I can't forget my camera accessories. Here are my essentials. My camera, my portable tripod, a gimbal for those steady and action shots, a GoPro for sport and hiking scenes, memory card reader to unload footage on my computer, extra batteries. I usually use up to 3 of this in one day, waterproof iPhone case for underwater shots at the beach, and a super long iPhone charger. Now, for all these small stuff, I'll fit them into a small accessory bag that I got from GoPro. And then I'll fit all the larger accessories into extra spaces in my luggage. And that's it. We're all packed and ready to go. Make sure to subscribe to my channel to watch our trip in Houston. See you guys next week. Bye!